not it. Maybe it's... The Powerpuff Girls are about to be your evil undoing! No, that makes it sound like we're evil too. How about... Stop right there, you!
Get up underneath it. Now you gotta swallow a bunch of air and...
Guys!
Huh?
Can you keep it down in here? I'm trying to come up with heroic sayings for our next battle and... What are you two doing?
Buttercup's teaching me how to burp. Check this out. Burp.
Bubbles, that was fake.
See? I'm learning so much already.
Buttercup, listen.
Yeah, belching is gross. Bubbles shouldn't listen to me.
Exactly. She shouldn't listen to you because you're teaching her all wrong.
Huh?
A leader knows everything, including how to belch properly. My burps have been recorded at over 130 decibels.
Lies! There's no such thing as decables. You just made that word up.
I'll show you, Bubbles.
No, I'll show you, Bubbles. Decables and all.
No, I'll show you, Bubbles. Like this.
No, like this.
Like this? Like this.
No, like this. I've got a good burp on it. I can feel it.
I've got a better burp.
I'm out of soda.
Here it comes, Buttercup.
Oh, it's coming. You go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
Gee, you guys are not good at burping. Wow, congrats, guys. We did it. Excellent burps all around.
I don't think that was a burp, Bubbles.
Yeah, Bubbles, that was not a burp.
I think we've got the...